Well, so what is up guys, welcome back to my channel XECH, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's get started without wasting any further time. So guys, today I'm going to unbox the XECH stereo headphones, which are very good wireless stereo MP3 headset guys. Let's read the outer with its specifications. It has telephone function, MP3, wireless, and TF card support, A2 DP and card reader function, support with laptop, EQ, and support with PC, FM, and mobile music and headset. It's a headset. It do have a mic for calling and your gaming. If you are thinking that you can't connect it to your control, so guys, you can connect it to control. I will show you a thing to connect it to your console or your controller. See guys, let's see what's in the box. Here we get our headphones. Let's keep it aside and let's see what's inside the box. Here we go guys, it's a black box to keep your headphones safe, and here we get a cable. Let's open this. So guys, this is a micro USB cable, and we will keep it back and keep it aside. And here we get a manual. And guys, let's see the headphones. We will keep the box aside and check out the headphones. How are they? Are they worth or not? Guys, here are the headphones. I will show you. First we have to open this like this, and if you want to set this for your head, you can set it like this. See guys, it is a very high quality product, and from here you can turn it on, and if you want to pair it, go ahead, press it, and it will start pairing. Blue and red light will pop up, and here we get a plus and minus sign. From this you can also turn it to FM. It does have a FM guys, and you are thinking to get to work your FM, you should make your earphones here or your aux cable, and then the aux cable should be connected towards your controller or your PC, then headphones to be on your head, and then you can easily use your headphones. This is the way that you can use your headphones and turn it off like this. You can easily use it with your console or your controller if you want to, any gaming controller. And guys, I used it. It has a very clear quality. If you want to buy these, you can, guys, you can contact the link, the company name in the description guys. These are not on Amazon. If you want to buy this, tell me in the comment section. I will talk to you further, and I will talk to you if you want to buy this. Tell me in the comment section if you buy this. More information I will give you there. And let me tell you where to make a charge. Here is the cable port. You can put it in it and charge it, and this was the whole review of it. So guys, if you want to buy this, check the whole description, and like this video if you would like this, and subscribe this channel. And this was all for today's video, and bye.
Switch it up like